Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see a disappointed news that IIT Palakkad has cancelled the internship program which they have already offered. So we have already uploaded a video about the IIT Palakkad's summer internship program, but unfortunately due to corona effects, so COVID-19, it has been spreading all over India. So they have cancelled the program, summer internship program, on 26th of March. So the notification, it came out from the Dean Academics Research. So and they felt sorry for that. So these 2-3 months likely towards till April, you can utilize this time for the preparations of the other exams, and then applications, to fill the applications, and to prepare ourselves for the next level. So do watch Revamped YouTube channel. I'll be giving some other online learning opportunities also, so where you can do the internship from home only. So that will be helpful for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to Revamped YouTube channel. Thank you.